Hi everyone, I hope you will be fine. Today I'm unboxing my new camera, sport camera, H265. It has a lot of accessories. So we have a lot of things. Micro sticker. No. So this is the camera, sport camera. Here is the place of charging and also is SD card. We have 64 GB memory. You can place it here. And you can charge it from here. This is the magnet medallion. You can just put camera here. It's very strong. You can put the camera here and take video from your motorcycle riding, biking, or other sports. This is the waterproof. It has instruction. You can put your camera here like this. You can close it and film under the water. It's very good. It is very tight. This is the camera instrument in Chinese or in English. When you want to connect the camera with your mobile, you can scan this barcode and connect it with your phone. Let me show you other things. Handle. It has two from this. You can add it to everything you want. It has mount. You can adjust your camera angle like this. This is very necessary thing. You can put this in your motorbike handle or your bike. And as well as this is a good thing. You can put your camera here like this. This is good. And also this. It has strong clip. You can put it in your t-shirt So if you want to turn on your camera, just push a button, it will start. If you want to connect with your phone, you can push twice. Automatically it will connect to your mobile after you install the application. It will connect to your device. So thank you.